This video that I'm going to show everybody is the Google Classroom. The Google Classroom is just a online virtual classroom where teachers can post different assignments. So when your student comes into their Google Classroom, I just want to kind of go through what's been posted for this week. When they come into their Google Classroom, right here is a sign up for Khan Academy, which they'll be using for math. They'll be doing different lessons based on what the schedule says for the week. They will be completing different math lessons on different days. So they're going to want to come to this website link and click it to join my class. And then they'll be able to create their account and go forward with finishing the different lessons for each day. For reading, they're going to have to use Achieve 3000, which I showed you before, and they're also going to have to use ReadWorks. So this is the link to connect to ReadWorks. And then as it says here, they can log in with Google, which they should be logged in with their email always first. So if they are, they'll be able to connect with Google. If you're having a hard time, then I left the class code here that you can type in to access ReadWorks. This is the video with logging in with your email, just in case you need a refresher. Right here is a copy of the daily schedule. This is actually a weekly schedule, so the students will be able to see everything from Monday through Friday. The schedule looks the same because they're completing one task over the course of the week, but the task is broken down into different parts, so they need to make sure that they are completing the part. There's no reason to be confused about what to complete because it is typed out by day right here. And if you click it, each subject has its own directions. The ones that don't need to change, I did not change, but the ones that do, I did. And you need to make sure this comes in hand with reading things carefully, that the students read these directions very carefully. Going back to the Google Classroom, there's a daily reading log. So what will happen is when they click their reading log, their screen's going to look a little different than mine because this is my teacher view, but they would open up their reading log here. And then the reading log has the days already listed for them. So they don't need to worry about filling out the day, but they are going to fill in the titles for what they read. So under ReadWorks, whatever they read in ReadWorks, they will record the name of that article here. And whatever they read for Achieve 3000, they will also fill in right here. This does not need to be submitted until the end of the week. So this whole reading log should be filled out before anything is turned in. Where you see my return button, there should be something on their screen that says turn in. So when they are done with this on Friday, they will click submit or turn in, and then I will automatically get a copy of that. And then going back to the classroom, let me see, give me 1 second here. There are the other two assignments that they need to work on, which is their social studies project and their writing assignment. Nothing for math is posted because they're going to be using the Khan Academy website for that, and I will be able to see their progress through the website reporting their data to me. So we don't need to worry about turning in anything for that because I'll automatically be able to see it. But they will also have a different view when they click this assignment, but you want to make sure that you tell them to actually click it. And then there will be a copy of the assignment on the bottom. So they will go there every day, open it up for the day, complete whatever they need to complete for the day, and then close it out. They are not submitting anything until the end of the week because at the end of the week is when everything is due for each subject. So this is a region of the United States projects. I want you to read through this with your child and make sure that they understand it. If you have any questions about the project, then please feel free to call me. Reach out to me through the classroom, or they can even ask me a question themselves if they want to post a question in the classroom. And then the other thing is just their writing assignment. The writing assignment is broken up over the course of a week. So nothing is getting done in one day. I want to clarify that there are tasks for each assignment that need to be completed each day. This should not be rushed through just to say that we are done. We're still following the same process we would be in school, and I will be taking a look at it. Everything from this point forward is being graded. So we want to make sure that we pay attention to quality over just rushing to get it done. So this is where they will access everything. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I would be happy to answer them.